Spider-Man vs. Skibidi Toilet.
Round 1.
Spider-Man and Skibidi will play Subway Surf, but they can depress the jump button.
I'm Spider-Man. I'm sure to win. You think some toilet can beat me? It makes me laugh when you even think about it a little bit. It's hard when you have been robbed of your jump button. But it's okay, I can get through more than a Skibidi toy. Hey, while you're watching me go through this challenge, you'll like and borrow that red subscribe button. It'll give me more strength and I'll try to go as far as possible. What a lot of trains there are. In my time, I remember saving many people from a train wreck and stopping the train itself with my bare hands. Oh no, this is the end of the ride. I did my best, folks. The Skibidi toy does beat me.
This my style is ridiculous.
I've been waiting a long time for this moment when he finally loses. Now Skibidi Toilet will show you the best result without jumps. Round 1. Skibidi Toilet. Even if I don't have hands, I can control the character with my mind. And ILL shows Spider-Man that I am better than him. Spider-Man, as I recall, had 53 seconds. I need at least 54, and ILL win. Spider-Man could beat me, but I am not gonna let it go.
Thanks for watching, friends. Put likes and subscribe to the channel because there will be more such challenges. See you later.